Watermelon is a highly cultivated fruit worldwide, with more than 1,000 varieties. With a global production surpassing 101.6 million tons in 2020, let's delve into the pathway of this cherished summer fruit. Watermelon, a large fruit resembling a vine with a thick rind and juicy, sweet flesh, typically exhibits green skin on the outside and a vibrant red or pink interior. To maintain freshness, the harvesting of watermelons commences at dawn, employing techniques such as manual picking or the use of tools like knives and shears to delicately detach the fruit from the vines. Subsequently, the harvested watermelons are loaded onto trucks, either manually or with the assistance of conveyor belts installed in some vehicles for transportation. Central American countries, including Guatemala, Costa Rica, and Mexico, supply 1/3 of the watermelon in North America. Upon reaching the distribution facility, harvested watermelons are deposited into large containers and then automatically conveyed around the facility using conveyors and sets of automatic lifts, ensuring smooth movement in all directions. Positioned over designated areas, the watermelons are dispensed and transferred onto another set of conveyors for sorting and processing, streamlining operations and ensuring efficient handling of the produce. In the subsequent section, employees stationed for sorting carefully examine each watermelon passing by on the conveyor belt, sorting them based on criteria like size, ripeness, and quality. Any watermelons failing to meet required standards are removed from the conveyor belt for further inspection or disposal. Moving forward through conveyors equipped with large rotating brushes, watermelons undergo cleaning and polishing. These brushes, typically made of soft bristles, rotate as the watermelons pass underneath, effectively removing dirt, debris, and surface impurities from the watermelon rind. This action not only cleans the watermelons but also polishes them, enhancing their overall appeal to consumers. Processing watermelons in bulk on large conveyors initially allows for efficient movement and handling of a substantial volume of fruit simultaneously. However, After undergoing the brushing process for cleaning and polishing, the watermelons require separation and organization into a single file line for subsequent stages of sorting, grading, or packaging. This individualized handling ensures that each fruit is inspected separately to meet quality standards and is properly sorted based on criteria like size, ripeness, and appearance. Moreover, it facilitates packaging processes by enabling precise placement of watermelons into containers or crates for shipment to retailers or consumers. Guided along the narrow conveyor system, watermelons are directed onto automatic belts featuring designated spots or slots tailored to accommodate one watermelon at a time. Upon reaching their designated spots on the belt, mechanisms activate to flip or release the watermelons, allowing them to descend into chutes or channels leading to the appropriate distributing section. Automatic machines play a crucial role in applying labels to watermelons during the sorting and packaging process. Positioned strategically within the workflow, the labeling machine is programmed to detect and identify each watermelon as it approaches, ensuring accurate label placement. Strategically positioned along various distribution belts, workers oversee the flow of fruit sorted by the automatic belt flipping system. As watermelons are directed to their designated distribution belts, these workers carefully monitor and handle each fruit. Their responsibility involves picking up each watermelon as it arrives and placing it into the suitable packaging container, typically large boxes or crates designated for distribution to supermarkets and other retailers. With precision and efficiency, these workers ensure that each container is filled with the appropriate type of watermelon, adhering to quality standards and customer preferences. Additionally, they inspect the watermelons for any signs of damage or irregularities, removing any fruit that does not meet required standards before packaging. In the final stage of the distribution facility, numerous boxes or baskets filled with cleaned and sorted watermelons smoothly navigate along a complex system of conveyors. Each conveyor is strategically linked to specific destination doors where trucks await to collect the packaged watermelons for transportation to selling points. These conveyors are programmed to direct the boxes or baskets to the appropriate destination door, taking into account factors like shipping schedules, destination locations, and logistical considerations. Watermelon, cherished and in demand worldwide, necessitates a well-coordinated and efficient production line to meet consumer demands globally. Whether enjoyed as refreshing summer snacks or essential ingredients in various cuisines, watermelons hold significant importance in culinary cultures worldwide. Green peas are a widely consumed vegetable globally and are popular in various cuisines. The soil preparation process for cultivating green peas involves several steps that utilize different types of machinery. Once the soil is prepared, green pea seeds are sown into the seedbed using seeders or planters, depending on the farming scale and local practices. To ensure proper germination and growth, various irrigation methods are employed, considering factors like soil type, climate, and water availability. At maturity, green peas are harvested using equipment such as combine harvesters or manual methods for large-scale farming. The green pea viner machine operates by initially gathering whole pea plants from the field using a picking reel, which then conveys them to the threshing chamber via an in-feed elevator. Inside the threshing chamber, a high-speed rotating beater gently opens the pea plants, allowing the peas to separate and fall to the bottom of the machine. Afterward, the peas go through a separator to remove any remaining plant material, while the peas themselves are directed to the front of the machine for collection. Waste material, like empty pods and stems, is diverted to the back and sides of the machine for disposal. An elevator system facilitates the movement of peas into containers or collection bins. Upon arrival at the factory, container trucks discharge the peas into receiving pits, specially designed to efficiently accommodate and store large quantities of harvested green peas. Subsequently, the peas are transported through a sequence of elevators, facilitating their movement to various levels or floors within the facility. This enables a seamless progression through sorting, cleaning, packaging, and distribution stages. As the green peas advance along a vibrating conveyor, they undergo initial cleaning. Any dirt, small stones, or debris are sifted out and expelled through holes beneath the conveyor. Meanwhile, appropriately sized and cleaned peas proceed along the conveyor for further processing. Swiftly, they are conveyed to the washing section via robust conveyor systems, capable of managing substantial volumes of produce. Before the primary washing phase, the peas may undergo an initial rinse to eliminate surface dirt and debris, achieved through high-pressure water sprays. In the core of the washing area, the peas are immersed in water-filled channels or tanks, where gentle currents, strategically positioned sprays, and controlled agitation collaborate to dislodge impurities. Adjustable water sprays, varying in pressure and direction, ensure comprehensive coverage without causing damage. As the peas advance through the washing process, the water containing dirt and contaminants is drained away, often recycled for subsequent cycles to minimize waste. After the washing process, the green peas transition to the cooking and freezing sections of the facility. Automated equipment meticulously controls temperature, pressure, and cooking durations to attain optimal results while preserving the peas' texture and nutritional content. Whether blanched or fully cooked, these automated systems ensure uniformity and efficiency throughout the cooking process. Once cooked to perfection, the green peas advance to the freezing section, where they undergo rapid chilling to retain freshness and flavor. Utilizing advanced freezing technology such as blast freezers or fluidized bed freezers, the peas' temperature is swiftly lowered, minimizing ice crystal formation and preserving quality. Subsequently, the frozen peas are conveyed to the packaging area, where they are deposited into large bags or containers. Automatic bagging machines precisely measure and dispense the correct quantity of frozen peas into each bag, ensuring consistent portion sizes. These machines may utilize techniques like vacuum sealing or gas flushing to maintain freshness and prolong shelf life. Advanced automatic packaging machines package the frozen green peas into consumer-friendly portions, equipped with precise portioning mechanisms that dispense the desired quantity into individual bags or pouches. Automated labeling systems then apply product information, barcodes, expiration dates, and other necessary details to each package, ensuring compliance with regulatory standards and providing consumers with essential information. Simultaneously, smaller packages are smoothly conveyed to packaging stations, where they are assembled into carton boxes. Automated carton forming and sealing machines efficiently construct and seal the cartons, preparing them for distribution. As packages of frozen green peas progress along conveyor belts, robotic arms swiftly and accurately wrap each package in protective film or shrink wrap material. Automated conveyor systems then transport the wrapped packages to designated areas for assembly and preparation for distribution. If you're captivated by the intricacies of production lines and food harvesting processes, don't miss our next video. Show your support by liking, commenting, subscribing, and hitting the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content.